Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio. So right now my portfolio is at $48,452.89. Today I'm down $2,571. That's a 5.04% decline just today. And lately it's been really bad. As you can see, in the past week I'm down like $8,906. It's pretty crazy. I think one of the biggest factors is Affirm. If we look at the chart for Affirm, in the past month, right, it was going down, but then it bounced up from like 64 all the way to like 78, almost $80. But since then, it's went straight back down, especially in the past week. In the past week, look at this. Affirm is down 26.76% in the past week, which is insane. I thought that it was going to be doing well, but... And I think I know what happened is because of Peloton. If you haven't already known, Peloton is recalling its treadmills. And of course, just today, look at this. Peloton down 14.56% today. And I'm pretty sure that affects the price of Affirm stock indirectly. Yeah, look at these news. Peloton stock sinks on treadmill recall. Here's what Wall Street is saying. Peloton recalls all treadmills and CEO apologizes. And I found this page right here. Peloton treadmill recalls. The issues, the fix, and your Affirm financing. So what is going on with the relationship between Peloton and Affirm is that, well, let me just read this to you guys. So, 2 treadmills, 2 Peloton recalls. So these treadmills, they're blamed for numerous injuries and even a child's death. Wow, that's a big deal. The fact that, like, people are getting injured and even someone died from this, like, of course they're gonna have to recall this, but that's really bad news for the company and the stock. And of course, look at this, raising questions around Affirm financing and what to do, how to get your refund, right? And yeah, there's a lot of people who buy these Peloton treadmills through Affirm financing. As you can see here, one of the most popular ways to add a Peloton at home has been Affirm financing. So that's why they're so connected. Because Peloton is doing recalls of its treadmills, it's having a negative effect on Affirm stock as well, because a lot of people use Affirm financing to pay for their Pelotons. But yeah, it says that they should get a full refund from Affirm if they ask for it. Yeah, the answer is that they'll still be eligible for a full refund. It'll just be posted via their Affirm account. Yeah, anyone who requests a refund will get one. An Affirm spokesperson confirmed. And assuming all payments are up to date before that, there should be no impact on your credit score. So yeah, that's why I think Affirm has been going down a lot, because Peloton is having problems right now with the recall of their treadmills. And because so many people use Affirm to buy their Peloton treadmills, that's having a really negative impact. I am a little worried now. It sucks that, like, because another company is facing problems, that indirectly affects Affirm. Gosh, yeah, that's horrible news. The fact that people got injured, that's bad. I mean, of course they have to do something about it, right? But geez, I'm not even invested in Peloton. But since so many people use Affirm to buy things like Peloton, if any of the things that people use Affirm to buy are having problems, then that's going to indirectly negatively affect Affirm. So yeah, now I think in my last video I said in my Affirm spreads I was up like 20%. Now it's not the same thing anymore. Now I'm down. I'm pretty sure, but all right, let's go through these. So IPOD, 7.5 $10 call debit spread. This expires October 15th. Total return, I'm up 21.88%. So my IPOD spread is going well. Now Affirm. All right, this is the 45.50 call debit spread, expiring November 19th. Total return, I am down 34.52%. Yeah, it went from being like over 20% profit. Now I'm at a 34% loss. Affirm, $40, $60 call debit spread. Expiration date, November 19th. Total return, I'm down 19.64%. Again, I went from being up like over 20% on the spread. Now I'm down 19.64%. Horrible. Hopefully, gosh, I mean, it's really unfortunate. Hopefully, you know, a firm is diversified and they find they don't get all their money from Peloton, right? Hopefully that's the case. They do report earnings this month. I believe the 23rd. Let me check. Yeah, expected May 23rd, pre-market. That's when their earnings date is. So I'm not going to get rid of these. I'm going to hold on to them. Hopefully they have a good earnings on May 23rd. But yeah, it's such unfortunate in the short term. But in the long term, I still believe in Affirm financing. All right, let's move on to Alibaba. Alibaba 210, 220 call debit spread. This expires November 19th. Total return, I'm up 2.61%. Alibaba, $195, $200 call debit spread. Expiring November 19th. Total return, I'm up 1.47%. So pretty flat with my Alibaba spreads. Not much returns there, but at least I'm not down like 34% like my one of my Affirm spreads, right? So at least I have a little bit of a return there. GSAH, 7.5, 12.5 call debit spread. This expires November 19th. Total return, 9.55%. IPOF, 7.5, $10 call debit spread. Expiration date, December 17th. Total return, 0.12%. So pretty much flat. IPOF, 7.5, 12.5 call debit spread. Expiration date, December 17th. Total return, 3.03%. ARCX, I hate this spread. It's not doing well for me. And yeah, I'm just not pleased with the performance. I got in at a bad price too, but whatever. I want to get out of this. Hopefully, honestly, I might get out of ARCX. I might get rid of the spread and put more into my Affirm spreads since they're down, because I still believe in Affirm, but ARCX, I'm kind of mad. All right, $15, $21 call debit spread. This expires way later though, January 20th, 2023. Total return, I'm down 17.13%. And finally, PSTH, $15, $25 call debit spread. Expiration date, January 20th, 2023. Total return, I'm up 5.81%. So yeah, my portfolio has, it went from doing well to doing not good anymore because of Affirm. But hopefully that reverses and they get back on their feet soon. Bad news for the short term because of those Peloton recalls. Quite unfortunate. However, if we look at the actual spreads and their break-evens, for example, my 45.50 Affirm call debit spread, the break-even price for this is $48.36. And then my Affirm $40, $60 call debit spread, the break-even price for this is $52.20. So right now, Affirm is at $57.78, so it is above the break-even prices at least. But is it going to go down even further? I don't know. That's what I'm scared of. But like I said, I'm still going to hang on for now and wait until what happens during their earnings. And hopefully they have good earnings. But even then, lately, I've been seeing that even companies that come out with good earnings, they still fall. Or, yeah, they still go down even with good earnings. So, I don't know. I'm a little uncertain about a lot of things in the market right now. It's pretty crazy. Because usually how it works is if a company releases good earnings and they beat expectations, then the stock usually goes up. But that hasn't really been happening lately. Like what happened with Apple. Apple did great on their earnings, but their stock didn't really move up. Yeah. Another thing I've been looking at too is Rocket Mortgage. This had a huge downward move after hours. Look at this. Down 13.16% after hours. Because they reported earnings, right? And I heard that it wasn't that bad. I thought it wasn't that bad. Let's see. Smaller lending margins weigh on Rocket results. Gosh. Yeah, Rocket's shares fall almost 11% after posting Q1 results. But a lot of people really like this one. And it's near its price when it was, yeah, $18. And then this IPO'd in August 2020. So it's near, it's like, look at this, the chart is crazy. If we look at, since its inception, it started at 18. And then at the high point, $41, like that's more than double 18, you know. I think I will look into this and see if this is a potential spread play. I might do a call debit spread on Rocket. It is a 75% hold according to Robinhood. Yeah, I might look into this since it's pretty low right now compared to its all-time high of, you know, hold on. What is its all-time high? Does it say? Well, it's over $41, right? Its highest point. So I might look into this. But yeah, the market has been acting really negatively lately. Even with good earnings, stocks can go down. And a lot of people are flooding into Dogecoin. I'm pretty sure that's where all the money is going right now. Everyone's just getting out of the stock market and just going into Doge. Gosh. But yeah, I'm just hanging on. I'll wait. There's a lot of earnings coming up this month. Like I said, Affirm is on the 23rd of this month. And Alibaba is also this month as well. I think they're on the 25th, I want to say. 25th? Where is it? No, they're available May 13th. Oh, that's coming up. That's coming up soon. All right, so Alibaba has their earnings on May 13th. So hopefully that goes well. And the rest of my plays are kind of in things that don't really have earnings. Like SPACs. SPACs don't have earnings dates, I believe. They don't. Let's look at PSTH. I don't believe this has an earnings date. Nope. Yeah, so my SPAC plays I don't have to watch out for earnings for. But Affirm and Alibaba, I'm going to have to look out for. Hold on, let me check. When is the 13th? That's next week. Okay, so it's coming up real soon. Next Thursday is going to be Alibaba earnings. So I'll be watching out for that. All right. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. That's my portfolio. Just be transparent. It's been going really bad lately because of Peloton recalls and Affirm getting affected because of that. And just in general, I think the market has been going down lately. But I'm hanging on. I'm hanging in there because a lot of my spreads, they expire, you know, towards the end of the year. October, November, December. And some of them don't even expire until 2023. So I got many more months to go. I'm just going to hang on and wait and see what happens. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.